In this video, we will see how to use the eOffice module. First, go to the eOffice section. On the left side, you will see the inbox. Here, you will find 3 sections: Active, Closed, and CC. If any file is assigned to you, it will appear in the Active section. If you are involved in any file, it will appear in the CC section. And if a file is completed, it will move to the Closed section. Now, let's open a file. Here, you can see all the details like file number, receipt, and status, which is currently open. You can also see who has sent it, the send date, and the due date. From here, you can take actions directly, like viewing the PDF, checking uploaded documents, and viewing the receipt. You can also check the movement history. To see all movements, simply click on it. Apart from this, you can close the file, send it to someone else, or add notes. You can also create links and perform multiple actions from here. Now, if you click on the file number, you will be redirected to the detailed view. Here also, you can perform actions. For example, if you want to add notes, click on Notes and enter your details. If there is any document, you can attach it here. After submitting, the note will be created. Even if you ignore it, the note will still be created and you will see it in the graph. You can also edit it later. Here, you can see who created the note and the details. Next, you can set correspondence. If you receive any script or receipt, you can save it here. You can also add links. This is how you can perform these actions. You can also send the file to another user involved in the process. You can set a due date and define the purpose of the task. After that, you can proceed with further actions. If you want to close the file, you can close it from here. Once closed, you will see the status updated. In the Closed section, you will see the status as on time and the file marked as closed. This is how you can work within the Office module. You can also track employee activity, like what work has been done and in which file. Additionally, if you have permission, you can create new files. You can also perform actions from the drop-down menu, where all options are available. Found this useful? Save it for future reference. Follow us for more helpful content. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for complete details.
Try OZ Office Management today.